ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Welcome to another lesson in our Learn Quranic Arabic series. In our previous lessons, we learned about singular nouns and the difference between masculine and feminine words. Today, we will learn how to change a singular noun into a plural noun in Arabic. In Arabic, there are three types of plurals: regular masculine plural, regular feminine plural, and broken plural. In this lesson, we will focus only on the regular masculine plural and the regular feminine plural. You will learn the simple rules for making these plurals and how to use them in short, easy Arabic sentences. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and use regular Arabic plurals with confidence. So, let's begin our lesson. Bismillah. In this lesson, we will discuss regular masculine plural, regular feminine plural, and leave the broken plural for the coming lesson. Dear learners, before we begin, let's understand the word regular. A regular thing is something that follows a fixed rule or pattern. A regular masculine plural is formed by adding una to a masculine singular noun. A regular feminine plural is formed by replacing ta with atun. These are the regular patterns for making plurals in Arabic. A teacher.
معلم.
Many teachers.
معلمون.
A female teacher.
معلمة.
Many female teachers.
معلمات.
A Muslim.
مسلم.
Many Muslims.
مسلمون.
A female Muslim.
مسلمة.
Many female Muslims.
مسلمات.
A farmer.
فلاح.
Many farmers.
فلاحون.
A female farmer.
فلاحة.
Many female farmers.
فلاحات.
A worker.
عامل.
Many workers.
عاملون.
A female worker.
عاملة.
Many female workers.
عاملات.
An engineer.
مهندس.
Many engineers.
مهندسون.
A female engineer.
مهندسة.
Many female engineers.
مهندسات.
A writer.
كاتب.
Many male writers.
كاتبون.
A female writer.
كاتبة.
Many female writers.
كاتبات.
A manager.
مدير.
Many managers.
مديرون.
A female manager.
مديرة.
Many female managers.
مديرات.
Dear listeners, now we want to use all these words in nominative sentence, which we had discussed in previous lessons. If any one of you are still not familiar with nominative sentence, please watch the previous lessons, otherwise, you will not understand these things. Anyhow, the nominative sentence has two parts: the subject and predicate. Both the subject and predicate function accordingly in singular and plural form. For example,
الكتاب جديد.
dear learners, this is a nominative sentence. This type of sentence starts with a noun called the subject of the sentence that is mostly definite in nature, therefore carrying the definite article, al. And the end of sentence might be done with a verb, or an adjective or a noun called the predicate of the sentence that is mostly indefinite in nature, and therefore taking the indefinite article called tanween, mark, that is pronounced as
جديد.
المعلمون حاضرون.
the teachers are present.
حاضرون.
Is from.
حاضر.
made on the present participle pattern.
فاعل حاضر.
That means present or available. Dear learners, I have already told that in a nominative sentence that subject is definite, therefore carrying l.
المعلمات حاضرات.
The female teachers are present. Dear learners, here the predicate is indefinite, therefore taking tanween mark.
حاضر حاضرة حاضرة.
Here the subject is definite, therefore taking the definite article al.
الفلاحون صابرون.
The farmers are steadfast.
صابرون.
From
صابر. الفلاحات صابرات.
the female farmers are steadfast.
المسلمون صالحون.
The Muslims are good in deeds.
صالح.
Virtuous.
صالحون. المسلمات صالحات.
The female Muslims are virtuous.
صالح. صالحة. صالحات. العاملون مجتهدون.
The laborers are hardworking.
مجتهد.
Hardworking.
مجتهدون. العاملات مجتهدات.
The female workers are hardworking.
المهندسون ماهرون.
The engineers are expert.
ماهر.
Expert.
المهندسات ماهرات.
The female engineers are expert.
المديرون عادلون والمديرات عادلات.
The male managers and the female managers are just.